Convert a logarithmic statement to an equivalent exponential statement. When you're playing with logarithms and exponents and you're solving equations, you've got to be able to switch between them, and that's what we're going to practice today. So first, the equivalency statement. The logarithmic statement y equals log of x base b is true if and only if the exponential statement x equals b to the y is also true. Now, when we're looking at these two, these are our equivalency statements. When you look at them, you'll notice that the base of each one is the same, right? The base of the logarithm is b, the base of the exponent is b. And then if you notice x and y, those are going to be other numbers. They switch sides. So I always start with identifying the base. I switch the sides of my two numbers, and I have my equivalency statement. Let's practice. We're going to convert the log of 49 base 7 equals 2 to an equivalent exponential statement. Great. Notice what we have in our logarithmic statement. We notice the base of the logarithm is 7. So if the base is 7, that means the base of the equivalent exponential statement will also be 7. Then I switch the sides of the 49 and the 2. So with the 7, I will now have the 2. So we know that 7 squared equals 49. Let's do one more. Convert the log of 1/27 base 3 equals -3 to an equivalent exponential statement. Okay, so once again, notice in the logarithm that our base is 3. So if the base of the log is 3, then the base of the exponent is 3. I switch the sides of 1/27 and -3 to get the equivalent statement of 3 to the -3rd equals 1/27. Once you practice and you have this down, it helps to start with numbers, right? We know these items are true. If you plug 3 to the -3rd into your calculator, you get 1/27. And if you understand with numbers, then when you go to play with variables, you'll have a better understanding because you've practiced with numbers that make sense.